Welcome to Consumer Reviews. The best propane water heater is probably one of the most versatile and convenient appliances for anyone needing hot water on the go, whether you're camping, RVing, or simply need a backup system for your home. These portable units offer instant hot water without the need for a permanent installation, making them ideal for a variety of situations where traditional water heating isn't feasible or readily available. Their compact size and ease of use make them a popular choice for outdoor enthusiasts and those seeking reliable hot water solutions. Number 5. CAMPLUX Portable Propane Water Heater and Pump Kit AY132P43. Stop searching for parts. This Pro Kit includes everything you need for a real outdoor shower, even without tap water. It's the easiest all-in-one portable shower solution available. Perfect for deep off-grid camping. The included pump allows you to pull water directly from a lake, a large bucket, or your RV water tank. You don't need a pressurized campsite hookup anymore. We solved the power problem. The kit includes extra-long power cables for the pump. This gives you flexibility to easily power the system from your car or battery bank, even if parked far from your shower spot. At its heart is a reliable engine that runs on D-cell batteries, no mains plugs needed. It ignites with low water pressure and delivers consistent instant hot water for a comfortable camping experience. Get your shower station running in about 10 minutes with quick connect fittings. The kit also includes extension hoses, giving you more freedom to place your shower tent exactly where you want it. Nothing beats a hot shower after a long day. This complete kit lets you set up a private campsite shower right by your truck or RV, wash off sweat and dirt comfortably before relaxing. It's not just for showers. Hot water makes cleaning much easier. Use this portable system to quickly cut through grease on camp dishes, hose down muddy boots, or give your dog a warm pet bath outdoors. What we like. This is the ultimate all-in-one solution for true off-grid adventures. If you need a complete system that includes a pump and offers flexibility in powering it, this is your best bet. It's perfect for those who camp far from any amenities and want a hassle-free setup. What people say. The water heater is easy to install and set up. It provides hot water quickly and efficiently. The compact design makes it easy to transport and store. Number 4. Hike Crew Portable Propane Water Heater. Introducing the Hike Crew Portable Propane Water Heater, your solution for instant hot water on any adventure. This innovative system heats water using propane for showering, washing, and more. Enjoy comfortable campsite showers with adjustable temperature control and multiple spray patterns. It comes with a convenient hand faucet and a shower head attachment for a great experience. This portable heater is perfect for camping, fishing, hiking, and hunting. You can power it using an AC/DC adapter or a 12V cigarette lighter for hot water wherever you are. Safety is paramount with its automatic shutoff feature that turns off the gas burner when the water reaches the desired temperature. It also includes a water flow sensor, fuse, and tilt protection. Its compact design makes it incredibly travel-friendly. Everything you need, including adapters, hoses, and accessories, fits neatly into the included handy carry bag. What we like. For those who prioritize safety and convenience in a compact package, this heater is a great choice. If you're looking for a portable unit that's easy to store and transport, and features smart safety technology like auto shutoff, consider this option. It's ideal for hikers and campers who value peace of mind. What people say. The water heater is easy to set up and use, with a simple ignition system and adjustable temperature control. It provides a consistent flow of hot water, perfect for outdoor showers or washing dishes. The compact and lightweight design makes it highly portable and convenient for camping trips or RVs. Number 3. CAMPLUX BW264 Portable Propane Water Heater. Your family's safety is paramount. This unit is CSA's safety standard approved and features flame failure, anti-freezing, and overheating protection for peace of mind. It also automatically adjusts water pressure and includes a drain plug to prevent freezing. Designed for convenience, it's lightweight and compact, making it easy to carry. Installation is a breeze, taking only about 15 minutes. You can easily hang it where you need it most. Experience efficient performance with advanced combustion technology. This unit is designed to reduce gas consumption and burning noise, offering up to 11.5% energy savings. Enjoy 2.64 gallons of instant hot water per minute, exactly when you need it. There's no need to preheat, just turn on the tap for endless hot water at your desired temperature. For safe operation, avoid using Teflon tape between the gas regulator and inlet pipe to prevent leaks. Always check for gas leaks before use to ensure proper functioning. We are committed to providing you with the best experience. If you have any questions or concerns, please reach out to us. We're here to help ensure you have a great experience. What we like. If you need a powerful and reliable hot water solution for larger groups or more demanding use, this is the one. If you value robust safety features and a high flow rate for endless hot water, this unit is a strong contender. It's well suited for extended camping trips or RVing where consistent hot water is a must. What people say. The water heater is very easy to install and set up. It heats water quickly and efficiently, providing hot water on demand. The compact and portable design makes it convenient for outdoor use. Number 2. Ranein Propane Gas Tankless Water Heater. Experience endless hot water exactly when you need it. This unit provides a high flow rate, supporting multiple outlets simultaneously without any waiting. Enjoy consistent, safe water temperatures between 95 degrees Fahrenheit and 149 degrees Fahrenheit. Its intelligent system eliminates sudden hot or cold fluctuations, ensuring comfort for everyone. Featuring dual heating chambers for boosted efficiency and stable temperatures. It operates quietly and saves energy through optimized combustion and heat retention. The oxygen-free copper heat exchanger enhances heat transfer and offers excellent corrosion resistance. This durable component works with the dual chambers for superior performance. With 4 preset modes and a child lock, it's easy and safe to use. Anti-scald protection ensures peace of mind for families with children and the elderly. This unit includes comprehensive safety protections against overheating and exhaust issues. It also features an anti-freeze device to withstand temperatures as low as 23 degrees Fahrenheit. A vent pipe is included, saving you extra costs. For optimal performance and safety, professional installation is recommended, and it's designed for use up to 2,000-foot elevation. What we like. This model is for those who demand precise temperature control and the ability to run multiple fixtures. If you're looking for a high-performance unit that offers stable, on-demand hot water with advanced features like dual heating and preset modes, this is an excellent choice. It's ideal for RVs or cabins where multiple people might need hot water simultaneously. What people say. The water heater is easy to install and use, with a simple ignition system and adjustable temperature control. It provides a consistent flow of hot water, even at low water pressure, making it ideal for outdoor use. The compact and lightweight design makes it highly portable, perfect for camping trips or RVs. Number 1. RUINOPAR Portable Propane Tankless Water Heater 6L. Enjoy endless hot water the moment you need it. No more waiting for preheating, just turn on the tap and get your desired temperature instantly. It even works with low water pressure. Your safety is paramount. This unit is CSA approved and features automatic pressure adjustment, an anti-freezing drain plug, and flameout protection for peace of mind. We've built in over 6 safety features, including overheating and antifreeze protection. You can rely on it for a comfortable and safe experience every time. Take hot showers anywhere. Its compact and lightweight design makes it easy to carry for camping, the beach, or even washing pets outdoors. Installation is quick and simple. This heater is designed for efficiency. It automatically ignites when you need hot water and shuts off when you don't, saving you energy and ensuring safety. Please follow installation instructions carefully to avoid gas leaks. Always check for gas leaks before operation for your safety. We stand by our product with a 2-year warranty. If you encounter any quality issues, our support team is ready to provide a satisfactory solution within 24 hours. What we like. If you often camp in areas with low water pressure or are concerned about numerous safety features, this heater is a solid option. If you appreciate an energy-efficient unit that can start up with minimal water pressure and offers comprehensive safety measures, you should consider this. It's great for casual campers and pet owners needing a reliable hot water source. What people say. The water heater is easy to install and operate. It provides hot water quickly and efficiently. The compact design makes it easy to transport and store. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.